Every Webround draft works as a website project, but it can be transformed into a Webround Commerce Store to deliver full e-commerce functionalities. To create a store, go to the Drafts page and pick the desired project you want to transform into a store. Once you create a store, the draft will be updated with editable shop pages for your catalog, product detail, customer section, and cart page. We'll also set up a different storage space for all your e-commerce data. After the store creation, you can access the Webround Commerce dashboard with the blue Access Store button. Here you can find all the tools you need to manage your e-commerce. It is strongly connected to your draft, but can also be used in a headless mode with all the APIs. Everything that you can click and create is also manageable through public APIs. Let's start with an overview. The first thing we see is a dashboard for your orders and store metrics. This will be enriched with content once you start making sales and adding products. The cart page serves as a powerful tool for your store performances analytics. Here, you'll be able to track conversion rates, abandonment rates, top products, top countries, devices used, and much more. The orders page tracks all your orders from your customers. When a customer purchases a product in your store, you'll find his order and all the relative details here. If a customer completes a payment with a recurring subscription, it will appear in the Subscriptions section. All your customers are available in the Customers page. Webround provides a full authentication stack with email and password, allowing you to manage clients' data from a single unified panel. The Products section is the core of Webround Commerce. Here, you can manage your catalog and offers as well as purchase options to distinct your products in different variants. The Tags page serves as a starting point for the organization of your catalog. By tagging products and variants, you'll be able to determine search and filtering parameters for the powerful Webround catalog system. Attributes are like tags, but act as variable entities that you can redefine on each product or variant. They're very useful for describing unique properties that are not shared between products. Filters and conditions are the basic system for creating collections and describing patterns that automatically retrieve products if certain conditions are matched. Collections allow you to split products in different categories. They use filters to determine if a product matches the conditions required to enter a certain category. You can also create sub-collections to better organize your catalog. Promotions are a powerful tool for introducing discounts, coupons, and sales on your catalog. You can apply these conditions to the catalog with specific filters, but you can also create custom coupons for your customers by defining a set of rules on them, like the amount of times they can be used or the products they can't be applied on. Warehouses are the entry for all your product availabilities. You can manage multiple warehouses or use a single one as a unified entry for the catalog stock. The shipping section allows you to define where your products can be shipped and how much to pay for each shipping method. This is exactly where you configure the pricing for the Webround shipping calculator that will be automatically used at checkout. The taxes section is used to define all the tax rates that will be displayed and applied in your store. Webround uses net prices on all products, while tax zones apply the price increase according to the buyer's location. The media section is where you'll find all your images and videos that you upload for your products. In the settings section, you can review some basic parameters for your store, as well as manage subscriptions or accessing the deletion procedure of your e-commerce. Webround partners with Stripe to integrate the best payment processor in the world. By configuring Stripe, you'll be able to start checkout sessions for your clients that will conclude payments in a secure environment entirely managed by Stripe. After the payment, Webround processes everything needed to report orders and subscriptions. The Collaborators section is where cooperation starts. Invite other Webround users and define roles, so that they can work on your store with clear and defined permissions. Webround can communicate with other systems via webhook. By defining an endpoint, We'll provide you a secret that you can use to authenticate messages from Webround that are automatically delivered at your desired endpoints. Each communication is reported in the Events page, where you'll also be able to replay events if needed. The Feeds page is where things get shared. You can easily create any report in defined formats like XML, CSV, and JSON to automatically sync your active products with other marketplaces. The API keys is where automations are enabled with a specific secret and defined permissions. You can leverage the Webround Commerce APIs to integrate your store data in external tools. The Apps section is the starting point for accessing external tools that you or someone else have developed. In the future, public apps will be available for use. At the moment, you can add an external endpoint so that you can easily access it from Webround. It can be a shipping label service that fetches orders from Webround and sends requests to shipping label printing services, or really anything that you can imagine. The checkout hook is where Webround shines. We manage Stripe for you, but you can inject a payment middleware to edit and review Stripe checkout sessions before they start. This is how you can inject custom logic with external CRMs, B2B private systems, custom shipping logic, bundles, and much more. Welcome to Webround Commerce.